Hello and welcome to the Edu Leaders Show on the Edu Bulletin, where we bring you the latest insights and trends from the world of education. I'm Daisy, and I'm excited to guide you through this episode. We have an esteemed guest joining us, Ruchi Sethi, founder and director of Shwas, highlighted that cardiac arrest can affect even young children and stressed the importance of equipping schools with life-saving skills such as handling seizures, choking, and fainting. Now, let's move directly into our interview. Over to you, Rumani. Let's hear what ma'am had to say.
So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We have with us a very esteemed guest. She is from a unique company and she is Ruchi Sethi, founder and director Shwas. So, first of all, tell me how's your experience being here and what do you like the most about Time to Grow Summit?
It's a very, very important platform where eminent people from the field of education have come together to discuss very relevant and pressing issues that face our society right now. Education is a very, very important, probably the most important pillar.
Absolutely.
And change makers, education policy makers have come together today to discuss the role of AI, the role of tech, the role of empathy, which I'm so pleased to learn, and so many important topics. So it's been a very, very good experience so far for me, and I'm looking forward to the second half also.
Wow, that's great to hear, ma'am. So first of all, tell our viewers about what is Shwas and how it is bringing an impact in the society.
So thank you so much. Shwas, as the word also means, it actually means breath, right? Shwas stands for breath.
Right.
And our endeavor with Shwas is to save lives one breath at a time. Basically, what we do at Shwas is we train students as well as, educators, teachers in emergency response training. We conduct emergency response trainings. We're government certified.
Okay.
And these trainings equip teachers as well as students to handle medical emergencies like cardiac arrest, which are very, very common these days. And cardiac arrest, you might be surprised to know, is age agnostic. It can happen at any age.
Wow.
So we have a perception that only if we are above the age of 40 or 45, we can have a cardiac arrest. But no, cardiac arrest cases have happened in children as young as 8 years, 9 years, 10 years of age. And the first 10 minutes when someone has a cardiac arrest are the most crucial. And only if everyone knows a very simple technique called CPR, which is cardiopulmonary resuscitation, we can actually save the life of the person having a cardiac arrest. Sadly, the education right now about CPR is only 2% in our country, which is why most of the people having a cardiac arrest die.
Wow.
At Shwas, we train you how to do CPR. Among CPR, we have other topics as well, like epilepsy, seizures, and fainting, which is again very common among school children. We also train how to handle choking episodes, kuch gale mein atak gaya, and it can also lead to death. So a lot of topics are covered, and we train how to handle these kind of emergencies in real life situations. All our trainings are certified, and hands-on trainings is our expertise. So we go to the campus and we train students as well as teachers in these life-saving skills. So that is what Shwas is all about.
And absolutely, with your initiative, you are really giving Shwas to the community. And my next question would be how many schools have you been recently collaborated with, and what are your key target markets, and schools from which area can reach you and have you on board?
Thank you. So I'm very happy to share that we do these trainings pan-India. Very recently, we've done schools in Pune itself. I'm not sure if I can name the schools, but we have trained the NCC cadets of the schools, and we are also onboarded teachers. We will be conducting the trainings very soon. And we do these trainings pan-India. We also cater to remote areas, in fact. And our specialty is that we also conduct trainings in vernacular languages. Like certain schools are comfortable doing the trainings in Marathi or say South Indian languages. We have trainers who are well equipped to conduct these trainings in vernacular languages as well. So if Marathi is your language of preference, we will do the training in Marathi as well.
That's great. So it's for everyone. And it's such a crucial training, you have to give to the students and teachers. How is your ecosystem developed for, to get the trainers train themselves? So tell us about that.
So, all our trainers are trained. They are doctors.
Okay.
They are medical professionals and have a first aid certification from government bodies.
Right.
And since we have an association with the NMC and Nayan Hospital, which is a BMC hospital, we also provide all our trainings are government certified. And these trainings, you asked about the trainers. So yeah, these trainers are doctors. They are, most of our trainers are MD doctors. And they have the valid education and the valid certifications and knowledge to conduct these trainings. I am also one of the trainers. And I love training. I love teaching about these crucial life skills. And I'm very happy to share that I myself have saved one person's life using CPR. So that's the impact of it, which is I'm so passionate about this, initiative.
Absolutely, ma'am. And it's giving us the vibe and the confidence to, we can also save someone's life. And it's a beautiful experience, I'm sure. Thank you so much for being here. And I'm sure many of us, and the viewers also have got excited and also motivated to, learn about CPR. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Thank you for joining us for this enlightening discussion. We hope you found it as insightful and inspiring as we did. Save the number 72170701000 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news updates and inspiring interviews from the Edu Bulletin.